Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anushri Khaute, practicing dermatologist from Pilar, Goa Vela, and today I'll be telling you briefly about a skin condition called as psoriasis. Psoriasis is a chronic, meaning long-standing skin condition that mainly affects the skin but can also affect the person's joints and nails. So, what are the symptoms of this condition? It mainly presents as reddish colored patches which occur on almost the entire body with more predilection for the joints and the scalp and also the lower back. And these patches are very red colored with lot of flaking from them. That is, the skin peels off, flakes off, scales are seen to be falling off from these patches, and also they are very itchy. They are very uncomfortable to the patient. Also, sometimes the joints may be involved, causing swelling of the joints, pain in the joints, and also nail changes if the nails are involved in the psoriasis patient. Coming to what causes psoriasis, so it does not have a single cause as such. It is an autoimmune condition where the body attacks its own cells. So normally the body takes around 28 days for the cells of the skin to replenish, that is to mature, and then the dead skin cells fall off. So in psoriasis, this is very much shortened. So there is a collection of immature cells which gets collected in these reddish patches, giving rise to those flakes. Coming to the management of psoriasis, how is it treated? So unfortunately, at present there is no cure for this condition, but that being said, it can be managed very well. So depending upon the extent of psoriasis, so if it's very less limited to only few areas, then your doctor may prescribe only creams with which it will be managed. Or if it is involving almost the entire body, involving the joints and nails and other areas, then you may be started on certain tablets. And in any case, in either case, it is a mostly a very well controlled disease, and patients learn to live and how to manage their psoriasis. Now, two myths associated with psoriasis. One is that it is contagious. So psoriasis is not contagious. So feel free to hold your children, hug your loved ones, and shake hands with relatives, because neither of this will cause spread of psoriasis. Second myth is that psoriasis occurs in unclean or unhygienic people. So it has nothing to do with hygiene, and people following regular hygienic measures can also sometimes suffer from the condition. Certain do's and don'ts of psoriasis. Moisturize your skin well with the moisturizer suggested by your dermatologist. Whenever you have a patch or a flare of the condition, always visit your dermatologist, who will adjust your treatment, and then the disease will come under control. Follow a well-balanced diet. Quit smoking and alcohol if you have a habit of doing so. Manage your stress levels. Stress is an important trigger for aggravating psoriasis. Do not self-medicate, and have regular visits for regular follow-ups with your dermatologist, who will adjust your treatment according to the stage of the disease. Thank you.